This is just a prelude. Isn't it? Okay? So, this is the question mark. And I'm Josie Musa pala, representing Adhika, incorporated in Adhika Radio Filipino, Wow FM 100.7. Okay.
Tumahimik sila. Hindi ko nagsalita.
Now, pick one activity you'd like to do while you're here.
Wow.
Okay.
Excited ako na.
Okay, climb the Sydney Bridge, or sit around, or sail around the Opera House, or sandbath at Bondi Beach.
I think all the girls
Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach. Pumunta ako last time when I was here, na parang before ako umalis, papuntang airport, dumaan ako sa Bondi Beach. Nag-bus ako mag-isa, kasi alam ko yung Bondi Beach, parang famous beach dito sa Australia. Pero mabilis lang, parang hindi nga ako nakaligo, parang tumingin lang talaga ako. Pero nakabili ako ng boots doon, kasi may mga stores doon sa side, I think. Yun ba yun? Parang, parang sa maganda. So, this time, gusto ko yung parang maligo and sunny. Wow! Dance in a deep, as we did.